Casio created a stylish body and preloaded it with a suite of software applications to create scalable solutions that evolve together with our customers' future requirements. Introducing the VR100 Retail Business Support Terminal. Casio combined leading-edge hardware and original software in a single terminal with one goal in mind: to provide a complete retail business solution that enhances your customer service from day one. The software runs on the Android platform. An easy-to-understand interface optimized for retail operations supports centralized management of sales, customer, and order handling data. A software development kit is available to support applications development. The VR100 solution is very flexible in the way it meets the needs of a wide range of industries and businesses. The VR100 comes with a pre-installed sales management application. It's easy to enter and manage sale data and can easily be optimized for specific business operations. The system is ideal for restaurants with mixed menus and retail shops offering a wide range of products. The 10.4-inch color display has a highly sensitive touch panel that delivers a quick response. The terminal is also equipped with a customer display and thermal printer. Combine the terminal with an optional cash drawer for use as a high-performance cash register for accurate, speedy operation from order entry to payment and checkout. The customer management application makes it possible to analyze store visit frequency and sales value by customer and prepare customized customer lists. Business owners can manage the registration, editing, search, deletion and printing of customer information, which is useful for promotions. And perform RFM analysis, which can classify prime customers from their purchase history. Furthermore, linking the customer management and sales management applications makes it possible to operate preferred customer discount and member rewards programs. The Reservations Management application allows your business to manage restaurant table reservations and retail catalogue orders by telephone. The application can be used to manage table reservations that can be quickly searched to display information necessary to respond to changes or inquiries. Since customer orders and requests can be input and managed, it's possible to flexibly accommodate parties or special orders. It's even possible to print reservations lists for use in table setting. The remote email application supports busy business owners. The VR100 receives emails sent from a PC or mobile phone and automatically executes instructions in the mail. The owner can confirm information such as sales, current operating status, and the reservations situation from remote locations, and issue new instructions in response to the current situation, even when away from the business. Superb connectivity and scalability for forward-looking retail management. The VR100 delivers optimal solutions for a retail business today. It evolves together with your business's ambitions. Beyond the smiling faces of customers is the VR100. Casio.